What's up, guys? It's Krezo and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. I got them. I'm actually very excited for this pair. I've already seen them. I wanted to make sure there was no mold on them. But yeah, a lot of people have been getting mold and I'm not with that. So I was just like, I'm just check them out. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm going to just get straight to it. But I am going to show you like the little details at least. Yeah, this is a vintage style looking box. You have just a regular Nike bottom style box with like this vintage look, and then you have like this cell type of like sticker things. This is a 7Y, so it is a grade school pair. Also, this is why it's called the Lost and Found, is because they found it in the back with a different top. And yeah, so to get straight to the shoe, enough about the box. And this is the shoe. This is Chicago One's re-imaged as the Lost and Found. So let's just get a close up with the shoe real quick, just so you guys can see the details. Because honestly, I've been looking at like the grade school pairs on YouTube, and nobody shows like the actual details. They just show like this. So I'm gonna go slow, and I'm gonna show you guys on the back. Like, it's actually really good quality. It's actually really firm too on the toe box. Here you have the Wings logo. Let's see if I can get closer. Look, you have this tumbled leather type of look on the side, and on the sole it is kind of yellowing. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but there is some type of yellowing on the sole, which is actually, it's not that bad. It just gives it like the vintage style look. And if you press on the toe box, it's pretty firm. It is a good quality pair, honestly, for a grade school model. Usually they don't actually give you good quality on the grade schools, but this one's actually really good. This is the bottom. It does have this vintage style look to it. You do actually have the yellowing on the tongue, and then you have the Nike logo, which looks really good. So let me give you guys some quick shots. So yeah, the quality is hands down really good for a grade school pair. It does come with 2 socks. It does come with paper inside. I already took it out though. If you actually get the cardboard in here, it means it's a fake pair. I got these straight from Nike, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, the sole, here's what the sole looks like. 7Y. You can see a little bit of glue on this little side area, which is fine. It's just a little bit of glue. It's not as bad as I'm making it seem. I could take it out right now. Probably shouldn't, but who knows. Anyways, but yeah, like, the quality is good. As far as the quality, it's good. Honestly, I would have just preferred a 2015 model for 2022. But I mean, this is cool too. I don't mind it. It's my first pair of Chicago's, so it's cool. But yeah. Honestly, I wish I would have gotten a 7 men's pair, but it's cool. This still fits me, so I'm still gonna, wear this. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, but alright. But I'm gonna put the laces on and I'll get back to the video right now. So yeah, I put the black laces on one shoe. Honestly, I really like it with the black laces. It looks way better, just because I think the black looks really good with the swoosh. So I think I'm gonna keep it on the black, but this looks really good. But yeah, this is basically the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds re-imaged. I just wanted to show you guys a quick review and show you guys the details of the shoe for the grade school model, which looks really good. Honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 shoe for me, especially that it's the Chicago colorway. Like, this is very sought after. So for me to have this is amazing, honestly. But yeah, that's it for the video. I wanted to show you guys just how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next videos. I am gonna stop putting up like videos of shoes. I want to get into more like other types of videos. I want to do like some vlogs or something. I want to do something that's cool. I don't want to be just sitting in my room all day just making shoe videos. So I want to go out, do some pranks or something. If you guys have any ideas for videos, you guys can leave a comment down below, or leave a comment down below if you guys ended up getting these shoes right here, because I know it was really hard to get these. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next videos. I'll catch you guys later.